Hi! In front of me is OPPO Find X3 Neo, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off high performance mode. You need to begin by going into settings and scrolling down to access battery. Now scroll all the way down. Click on More Settings and tap on the gray switcher next to High Performance Mode in order to activate it. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up, and as you can see after that, High Performance is on. But you can always turn it off by tapping on the same now blue switcher next to it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!